Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a CapCut video into a short. Here are two short methods to turn a CapCut video into a YouTube short. First method, adjust aspect ratio. Open CapCut by tapping on your project and add your video by tapping on it, then hit Add. Change the canvas size. Tap aspect ratio. Line over 16 is ideal for YouTube shorts, so tap on it. Reposition and resize your video elements to fit the new frame. Save the edited video by tapping the check mark on the bottom right and upload as short on YouTube. Last method, trim to under 60 seconds. Now, import the video into CapCut. Trim the video to 60 seconds or less by dragging the edges of the timeline or using the split tool. Then, save the video and upload it into YouTube as a short. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.